Hump Day, yeah! Hump Day, yeah!
All right, guys. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Thanks for being here. Happy, what day is it? Wednesday? Hump day. Hump day.
Day.
Hundo hump day. Come on, Sammy.
Hundo.
Bring it, baby. Let's get that hundo.
Oh, excuse me.
Gonna break the pre-market low. We just did a minute ago. I posted the levels and I was chasing it. I was like, so hopefully that was the bottom. Let's see here. What do I want to look at? What screen do I have up?
Smooth muchachos.
So we did go up and get, whoops, let me turn down. I'm hearing myself. We did go up and get, if you look at that 820, if you're looking at, or if you're looking at I was looking at the 3 minute here. Hold on. Pretty much around the 820 to 822, 25, 24. It went the whole range of pre-market. So it's kind of cool. In that, it did go up and get a new high. Let me get on the right screen here. I'm talking to myself. Where is it? Here. So I don't know what that news was or what the hell happened, but it just went up in a hurry. This 753.83 is technically a new high. However, it's pre-market, so it doesn't count. Okay. All-time high is still going to be the yesterday's high of day, which is 752.12, which we are below. So as far as all-time highs go, it's still yesterday's. But I think it did that the last few days. It gapped up, went and got a new high in pre-market. I'm just going back here. Yeah, it went, got a new high, pulled back, and then went and overcame that in the market session. See, it was yesterday. Yeah, so this is yesterday. You can see in the pre-market, it gapped up fat, and then it went flat, and then it went on to recover that and make a new high. And then, of course, it did pull back, but look where it closed. It closed right at our fucking opening range. So then today again, we gapped up, went and got us a new high, came back, not quite to yesterday's opening range, but this is that day before. I don't know. When I say the day before, I have no idea what day these are. If it's Thursday, Friday, Monday, whatever the fuck. But look at this pre-market, same thing. It shot up, got a new high, and then during market, it went and got a new high, right? So even this day, what is that, Thursday? Yep. Let me see when it didn't do it. This day here, which would have been Tuesday into Wednesday, it pretty much, it did it, but it didn't gap up. It just got to the same. But anyway, what do I want to say? No, got off track.
I don't know. Sheesh. Come on.
I'm hoping we basically hold pre-market low at the lowest. We'll go to yesterday's opening range high, which was right here, the 750 area, and then get on back up towards VWAP. So yesterday's high is below VWAP. So I'm echoing. Who is that? Is that you, Playboy?
What, that sound?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
sorry.
thought it was me. What was I going to say? Oh, so this will be tricky depending on where VWAP is and yesterday's high, because that's going to be resistance. All right. For now, since we're below VWAP, that's going to be resistance. And especially if VWAP comes down to yesterday's high, it's going to be a doubly resistant. Okay. So watch out for that if we go calls. I got to clear my throat. Hold on. All right.
Follow the cat.
Yep. Well, it's the fucking, I think it's the milk in the coffee. It's like,
Yeah,
it's
definitely.
mucusy or whatever the fuck. I don't know.
Milk. Love me some milk, though.
I used to do black, and then Mama got me hooked on these fucking lattes, latte, and then I used to do tea, like just a green tea. I used to do. I don't know. I go through my moods.
Yeah, the same year. One of my chicks brought me some pre-workout, and that's what I've been fucking taking every morning instead of coffee.
I used to do that. The shit fucking. Oh, we just opened up. I used to do that, and it gets me fucking amped. Like you're just like go, go,
Yep,
go.
that's exactly what it does.
So watch for the bounce here at the 750.40, which was here, I'm gonna draw the line. Not that you can't see it. This is yesterday's opening range high. So I would look for that to be support. If you're getting gunsy and you want to take calls when it gets towards this area, you can. Just remember, stop out if you go below, right? If the trade goes against you. I do think we go up. I think we go and capture at least pre-market high, if not above. Would be my guess. What do you mean? Where are you, Pee Wee? You guys not hear us again? What the fuck's
No,
happening?
they definitely hear us.
What do you mean? Where we at, motherfucker? I'm right here. I'm right
Right
here.
here. That's right here.
Jimmy, you old fuck. Just kind of waiting, guys. See what happens. All right. Oh, what do you mean? All you hear is music.
No, he must be behind on the stream or something.
Bro, yeah, you need to refresh. There ain't no music going, bro. Music is in your head. Make you refresh, brother. Or go push like the if you leave the YouTube app, or if you put it in its own little window, that's what I do. It's easiest. Make it its own little window. That way you can navigate your phone if you're on your phone. If you're on the desktop, just pull the window like its own window. It seems to stay active, I guess. Man, I don't want to do fucking puts. So I'm hoping we hit this fucking whatever this fucking thing is. Opening range high and get us a little bounce. But I'm gonna play whatever the fuck they give me. Just donate my goddamn money to them. Excuse me. Okay. In the event it opens up between these two levels, guys, it's not a good play, okay? Just I'm gonna go, but it's not a good play. Because we have this opening range, it's very typically it's very strong. Ideally, if we do get an open, it's gonna be either on top of that bitch and it just plunges through it. But this is a pretty hard level. Just an FYI. I'm gonna go though. So if you want to follow, follow. Not right now. Settle down. When the time
Hold your
comes.
horses.
The real play would be to take calls right here and go up to chase VWAP. That would be the ideal play. I ain't loading shit yet, Sammy. I don't want to load put, so I don't want to throw it out in the atmosphere. Come on, baby. Get on up there.
Yeah.
Man. Weird how she listens to me. See? Tell her. That's the play. Get on up towards VWAP. Okay, if we open now, here's another fucking scenario. So we're pretty tight, right? We're at about 40, 60 cents is our range this morning. It's pretty tight, guys. Um, so if we open up calls on the adverse side here, look at VWAP. So VWAP's going to be our enemy too. It's going to be a kind of a tricky day. Be ready, whatever direction we do go. It's going to move one way or the other, obviously. But again, if we open up outside of the opening range and then we hit VWAP, we could get a little rejection off VWAP. Okay, so be mindful of that. And then on the flip side, down here, we're gonna get a reaction here too. So whatever it is, we're gonna get it. We are gonna get it. And you can see the indicator made the range. So there's our range. 60 cents. 68 cents to be exact. Pretty tight range. Just like she likes it. I'm going to go ahead and load up 754 calls. 754 calls. I'm going to throw that in the atmosphere, in the universe. That's what I want to take. 754s. Again, be mindful of this, guys. All right? Be mindful of the fucking VWAP. I want to get froggy. What's wrong with me? I was about to hit enter. I'm human. I'm only human. Isn't that a song? Yeah, load them up, Sammy. 754s. 754s. That means it's going to go against us since we're loading them up, but I still put them out there. Son of a bitch. Don't make me load puts. VWAP's flattening out. Okay, I like that. Don't do it. Don't do it, you fuck.
Don't do it.
And you know, if I don't take it, like if I don't take this play, it's gonna go to the fucking moon. So I got 747 puts loaded up, guys. 747 puts. We got 26 seconds. Hopefully we get a fucking rejection here and just shoot back up. 747 puts. I have loaded up. Do not go. Do not go. Wait for the candle to close, guys. Fuck, right at the line, guys. Going, fuck it. 747 puts. Was that our bounce right there?
Was it?
I did get a snippet at 53. So I got it at 48. Then I got a 53 snip. That was fast. I didn't even send it out yet. I don't know if I should now. Fuck. So I do my plays, guys. I put my whole position on with the profit bullshit. You know that you can set a stop and a target, and so it pumped me out. I already hit profit. I'm gonna throw it out just because I don't like it. I don't like puts down here, guys. Honestly, I don't like it. Since I don't like it, it's probably going to go to fucking zero and make $1 million. Issue is it can't reclaim pre-market low. We had that first candle. After that, we haven't recovered pre-market low. So I sent it out and we'll live with it. If you haven't got in, get in. Should take a trim there. You got 52. That's a little snippet. Watch for a hard turn up, guys. So if you see profit, take your profit. You've already got above 10%. Take a trim and be ready to get out, because I don't, like I'm saying, I don't like this area. Could as far as areas to watch out for now, or what could be, is going to be the center line of yesterday's opening range. Basically, it's 750. All right, that's a solid mental level, 750, and it's also right around yesterday's mid opening range. So that yellow line, that's going to be an area. Easy 15%. Make sure you're trimming. Take something. Don't be greedy. There she drops. So you got 25%. Told you I don't like it, so it's going to go to fucking zero. So we're at midpoint, and we're also at that 750. 750 is going to be a hard mental level, just because it is, right? 750 is an nice even number. Not only is it an even dollar, but it's like hey, 750. Can you believe we're at 750? Gosh, damn.
It's
Give me the
crazy.
800. There she goes right through it. Watch for next level is going to be 740. What is this? Yesterday's 749, about 37. There's 35%. Get yourself paid, guys. Paid. And go on. It's going to drop all the way to our spot. Go ahead and get there for me. I'm going to call the wick. We'll get to about right here. Watch. Watch. Do you believe in magic? Nope, there it goes. Hit yesterday's opening range low. See how she holds up. She didn't. Right through it. Yesterday's low is down here at 748. Guys, you got 50%. 50. Well over 50. Get it. Get it. I guess it is hump day. What's it? Sammy called it. Sammy
Hump
called
day.
it. I tried to recover. Look at that fucking bitch. Snap back in a hurry. Damn, I can't even post the trims. 83. Oops. Hit 84, so I'm trying to post the 75%. There it goes. Let's give us that hundo. Give Sammy his hundo. It'll be 94 is what you're looking for, Mr. Sams. 94. I think. What'd you get in at, Sammy? You are not in, you motherfucker. You motherfucker. Yeah, good play, Rashawn. Take what you can get, brother. I was at 57 when I tried to buy in. What do you mean you tried? Get the fuck out of here, bro. You are killing me.
Killing.
Absolutely killing me. Well, here's another. You can take calls here. Number one, we're at yesterday's opening range low. You can see the reaction that it got here. Problem is with this, obviously, get out if it goes below, if it closes below. But it may want to go test yesterday's low. But this here's a good if you wanted to take calls, this is a good area because your loss, if you will, is right here, right? So you want to minimize your risk if it goes against you. Let me make sure I got paid all around. Let me see. God damn, I got paid. God damn, I got paid.
Yeah.
Oh. So I changed. You know how I run a lot of my no stops, my strategies on no stops. I
Uh-huh.
basically so what I've been noticing in my thousands and thousands of fucking hours of back testing and watching my account. I'm like, so let's say I'm in a either no stop VWAP or pay me, whatever I'm in, right? It'll go up, I'll be up, let's just say, because I'm only playing with one MNQ. So let's say I'm up $300-400, right? Well, when it flips, because it just goes signal to signal. So if I leave them alone and let it flip, like it comes down probably 50%, right? And so let's just pretend I was up 400 at one point, and then it when it quote unquote flips to the opposite next signal, it's at like $200 or 150 or something. So what I started doing is I implemented a 250 take profit, uh, and then wait for the next signal. And that's been working out like a fucking like a motherfucker, because
Right.
they have their own built-in stop is the other signal, right? So there's no that's the stop loss, because even if the thing uh in one candle, like whatever the distance it goes in one candle, that's your stop loss. I mean, yes, it could be infinite, but it's generally not, even on news. Like I let them go through news. Guys, remember we like calls at this opening range low, right? I told you that. This is yesterday's opening range. So until you get a close below that, if we close below that, you're going to target yesterday's low. But for right now, this is our base right here. This is yesterday's low in the opening range. You like that area? Just letting you know. So why are you just now saying we hear you? Are you hearing me like way back about 15 minutes ago? I asked if you can hear me, or are you just saying you hear me based on my level I was telling you about? Never too late. A little confused. Huh. Okay. No, that's fine, Sammy. But the never too late guy was like, I hear you, but I had I had been asking like what 15 minutes ago. I'm like, hey, you guys hear me? You hear me? But he's just now saying we hear you. So I don't know if he's delayed, or if he was saying we hear you when I was saying this is our base here. But if you did take them calls like I fucking said, you'd be all right.
Pay.
We're gonna, if you're in calls, you want to target today's opening range low, which is almost about VWAP. So you're gonna target that area. All right. Mickey, you're killing me, bro. All these people. Stop saying, do you hear me? Or we hear you. I'm assuming you hear me. Let me pull up my. And you're should be stopped out of your puts any second. There you go. It'll One more penny and you'll be stopped out from your puts. There she goes. Got me. Um, so hopefully you took trim somewhere in that 75% range. That was a nice little play. And if you played the bottom, that's a nice little play for you.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Here comes the money. So, you know how I always look for calls, right? So you don't want to be taking calls here because you're already well overextended. You want to take your calls towards levels, right? Like this area. That's why I said take calls there. Even though you're in a put land, right? Like there's nothing on this says calls. Like if you were just accept these levels here, you want to play uh calls based on a level in hopes that it's reversing, right? Um what's going to happen if you're in calls, watch for opening range low and watch for the VWAP rejection. On the opposite, if it gets up into that area and you want to take puts, that's a solid play. Just stop out if it happens to get above, okay? Whatever you're playing, either direction, you want to get it as close to whatever your stop would be, because you want to be able to minimize your loss, okay? So right now, you're basically, you should have, if you were in calls, you won, right? You're up, but you don't want to take puts again until it gets closer up here towards VWAP. or at least opening range. Let me close this play out for those people because you know they're going to be like, are you in put still? What do I do?
What do I do?
Why didn't you tell me? Fucking fucks. Yeah, high tech, brother. You gotta trim. Hopefully, what does that mean? I need to. Yeah, you don't want to hold your full position, brother. Never, 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 never. Don't do it. Won't end good for you. Gotta take trims, brother. Got to. We're gonna go get pre-market highs now. Come on, baby, get up there.
Yeah.
Get to your home. Is today Wednesday? Yeah.
Sure is.
I wonder, when I sent out my recap yesterday, was it Monday? Did I write Monday on it? Today is Wednesday, right? Am I tripping? Yeah, I did it. I did do yeah. Oh, you know why? Because Monday's a holiday. That's why I'm fucking all fucked up.
Yep.
Duh. So I put Monday as yesterday on my recap because I'm retarded. First of all, because I'm retarded. But we didn't have a Monday. That's why I thought yesterday was Monday. Okay. Okay. Let me see here. So we are Wednesday. Okay. So to start thinking calls, let me see what's my mama texted me here. Full. Oh shit, here she goes. Trying to give me fucking a pool. We don't want no pool, baby. Shit. Shit costs money. She been bugging me for a pool forever.
An in-ground pool?
Yeah. No, not my real mom, high tech. My real mom can go fuck herself. I call
Yeah.
Mama Kimmy.
Mama.
I ain't talked to my real mama in 20 years or more. Fuck her.
Yeah. Welcome. I feel
I
that.
know people always refer to Kimmy as mama, even like to just random people, right? Oh yeah, mama was this, mama was that. And they always think I'm talking about mommy, but no.
Not that one.
I was like, yeah, I was fucking mama in the ass last night. And they're like, what? You fucking your mama?
You motherfucker.
You're literally a motherfucker. God damn, I smashed that shit like 4 times the other day, man. She's like midnight, 3, fucking 7. She like, all right. I'm like, go hit that bidet, get back in here.
Y'all are crazy.
This cat, the Zav guy. Someone answer the Zav guy before I slap that motherfucker. Look at this wick. So it wicked above. That's promising. We want to see the close above. I know that's what she said. And I'm like, when? Because yesterday I tried to get some more. She's like, bro, we just fucked. And I'm like, I don't remember when. She's like,
Win.
when? When did you fuck me?
Actualmente.
So you want to, if not you, if we're going to switch to calls, you want it, you want it to close inside opening range, which is, I'd rather it close above VWAP since they're damn near the same. You want to close above VWAP. Issue here now, guys, you're going to run into pre-market high, or I'm sorry, pre-market low, which is the 751, essentially 750 and 92 cents. So there's a hurdle. Then you have opening range again. That's going to be a hurdle. So you can see it kind of flattening out here. Hopefully it's not stalling and it's going to reject again. Hopefully we get above VWAP and then we start pushing through. Once we get above opening range, it should be clear selling to yesterday's high here. And then again, a close above that. We should go see that new all-time high. Well, new all-time high is here, but this is overnight.
It's the overnight side.
Get this out of the way. There we go. Okay. There she goes. Get on up there. Man, if you took anyone take calls down here? Anybody who took calls down here? Look at that. That was as clean as it gets. I'm sure one of my algos took it. Speaking of, oh yeah, another man. I redid a bunch yesterday. I went through all day, literally. I shouldn't say all day because it was about till 12. But I went through and I redid a bunch of my strats, and like a lot of them, I used to take. I got out too early. Long story short, and then I had it where we had bigger stops and then getting outs. So I basically flipped them on their heads. Instead of having a 95% win rate, it'll be like, I don't know, 70 or something. And I did half whatever, like let's say a 100 target and then a 50 stop. That way we don't have to win every single time. And they've been working out. I mean, obviously it's only been a day, but looking at the I even hooked up. I redid Playboy too, and not redid. I just redid my targets and stuff. And so 2 to 1, it's a lot easier to win. And then I changed some hours because there was a lot of consistency in the overnight as far as the non-movement. Right, we'd get or it flip flop back and forth. A lot of mine. Any of my no stop strategies, they go just signal to signal. And so overnight, like VWAP, for instance, it'll trade 30 times. Well, it's yes, we do get those days because you're going to capture the whole gap up, right? Or gap down. But I was losing hundreds and hundreds overnight. And then maybe on occasion, like once a week, you'd get that fat 1,000 point gap up or down. But anyway, I went through and I redid them. Long story short, look at that to the fucking penny, guys. Look at this wick. To the penny, it went right to the opening range high and rejected. So we are above VWAP. We are above pre-market low for now. You want to see a close above opening range high, or you'd like to see a little consolidation here and then a push up. That's what you'd like to see. Someone in the chat was asking about a firm. This is a firm. This is on the daily. So the daily looks good. So we came off of this torrential sell-off, and then it's been building up. We're in this flag pattern, if you want to call it. Yesterday was a huge gap up, and then today it's continuing. Everything, that's the daily. Everything, the hourly, like everything is pointing. Look at this flag on the hourly. So the hourly, it looks even cleaner because we had this huge run up, and then it's been sideways. It's been flagging. You need to see a breakout, like today is its breakout, because here was that was the top of the flag, right? And then here's your bottom somewhere in here. So you broke out of that flag. Now you want to go on and push. Now you want to go on, get it. And then everything, the 30-minute, everything is just pointing go ahead. So whoever was asking about a firm, she looks good. She looks good to nut. Look at this 15-minute. Everything is up. Everything. And that's a few of my indicators telling me, get in. Get in. NQ is fired. This I have set to 200, 100. So that one hit. We get VWAP. So these are a bunch of my indicators, guys, that I use. This predictor is my original. I have it set to 200, 200 ticks, 100 loss. So you can see it wins a lot. My VWAP, same thing. VWAP is a fucking killer. Is a killer. So I have them automated for 2 to 1. So 200 points, I think, is $100. I forget. I haven't tried to have them. I think it's $100, or no, it's a 200-point win and then 100-point loss. That's what it was. Where's the stream? There it is. So if you're interested in auto trading, we do have it available. It's been firing pretty good. I use 2 different companies. Both are firing good. I probably have here. Let me show you. Where's all my indicators? So here. So these are a bunch of my indicators. You can see them. I think I've put out about 4, right? I think I'm going to do go now next. Or did I do hybrid yet? I'll do hybrid. Hybrid's nice. This EMA is nice. They're all pretty nice. They all win. If you trade manually, oh, they're all lights out. They're all lights out. But I try to automate them bitches. Do it for me.
You work for me.
Try to replace myself. Oh, look at that bitch. That bitch just fucking went down. What'd you say? Hey, morning, bud. That bitch just took it out. Look at that fucking selling candle. Oh, damn. He said, oh, you want calls, do you? Fuck you. That's what he said. Yeah. So auto trading, the computer takes the strike, you give it. Yeah. So any of these, see, I have this automated. So for instance, this breakout. All right. When this signal from TradingView, it signals my auto trade company, it says sell. So in your account, it'll take a sell. This is SPY, so it's not in ticks, but so it would take the trade right here, actually, because the candle closes and then the signal pops. So it would go here. Yeah, it sounds nice. The issue is, and it's the forever fucking haunt you issue, is the fact of when do you take profit and when do you set your stop, right? And like I said, it's easier. Look at these indicators. It's easy to, you can see with your eye, you're like, oh, I would have taken profit here. I would have taken profit there. Look at that huge winner. Well, you're not capturing the whole winner. That's the issue. And so predictor, for instance, my original fucking baby. So, like I said, I do a 2-to-1, so 200 ticks and then a 100-point loss. Well, let me look for a loss here. The thing never loses, but so that one won. Oh, here, this one would have. Oh no, that's where I got in. Let me see. Oh, that one won. Here, I think I started at 7, so maybe it took this trade. So, oh no, that would have won too. Oh, I'm trying to find. Long story short, any of these signals that you see on here, those are all automated, done on these send signals to my program, and then that thing takes them, and you have to set targets and stops, or you can use my defaults, whatever I have on there as my defaults. Let me back to SPY. So that's, in a nutshell, that's how it works. But there'll be days, like I was talking earlier, where I put signal to signal. I call them my no stops, and it'll go up 1,000 ticks, and then you'll end up quote unquote winning 100 ticks because the thing came down before it flopped, right? Well, a normal trader would have been even out at 50% or something. Like you wouldn't let that thing go all the way back to zero. I mean, you shouldn't if you know anything about fucking any trading. Like, you're not gonna let 1,000% trade and then you get out at 100%, right? Like, that doesn't happen. And I try not to interfere because I want it. I like, even if I have funded accounts that fail, and I let them, and I do that because again, I need to trade honest, right? Like, I need to fix the auto trading so that it does it for me, where I don't have to intervene. I want the ATM machine. That's what I'm building. And damn it, I'm close, guys. I'm close. What's a babysitter? Is that the name of a strategy or what? I don't get it. Babysitter. I don't get it. So I have an idea. Babysitter. I don't get it. Watches the order for pause.
Man,
Oh, yeah. The thing with trailing, though, you can't. Trailing is fuck too. So you can trail. That's fine. However, you get wicked out a lot with your trails. So I don't know. By all means, brother, come on over and help me back test these. We got a bunch of people using the auto trading, and we all bounce ideas off each other. Yeah, someone's like, oh, I put it to 8 ticks or whatever, or I put it to 100 ticks, whatever. And anyway, we're all in it together.
we're all this
There's a lot of
together.
ifs at high tech. You got a lot of ifs going on. If this, if that. Are you talking options now, brother? I'm all over the place here. So, for instance, on our plays here, these morning plays, when I say, like, I was out before I even got the alert out because it wicked me out. It wicked me positive, but it wicked me. So on Webull, I have an option when I put my order. It lets me put my target and stop in. So I put my full position in, and then I go in because then I go in and I take I have to build different orders, right? So anyway, by the time I got there, I was already stopped out in profit. So, but normally, if you just, let's say you buy whatever 10 shares or 100 shares, whatever you buy, take half off. I do around 10%, and then not usually. I lied. 10's my goal, but it's more like anywhere from 5 to 10. I'll snag 7-8%. I like, and then I'll snag another trim at 15%, and then 25%. And I just keep dwindling them down. And then I used to keep one, like I've told you before. I used to keep one, just one lone fucking baby to go to zero, right? Or to go to a million. The problem is, I've noticed again, uh, it would be up like 500%, and then if it doesn't, let's say, uh, we took a 753, and it goes up and it touches 753. Now we're in the money. We're up fucking 500%, and the bitch closes at 750 to 99. But then I had an alarm, so it's zero. So I hate options except for in the mornings because you need that volatility unless you're playing a couple days out. So if you're playing 0 days, you got to get in and out. These candles here, these are where your monies are. This is where you make the monies right here. These big candles, because you get the FOMO. Yeah, that's right, brother. Get off the screens.
Go do something with your life.
You can see it's. I don't even want to say it's flagging because it's not. This candle ruined it for everybody. So it's back inside opening range. Um, but it still has to pop above opening range, and it's attacked it here a bunch, and then this candle just came in and was like Big Brother.
A fucking headache. Fuck.
So we do. I don't like that rain, but that's kind of the. It's not kind of, that is the trend we're in right there. So it's trying to go up. It's trying. Usually it takes these big ass candles to push through these levels. You can see again, it came right up to it. It's wicking it. It needs to punch through. Fucking forever. No, I think I started, brother. Fuck. I mean, I guess technically I've been trading since fucking E-Trade days came out, whenever the fuck that was. 1902. Shit. I don't remember, brother. I think my boy was born in '04, so around '04, '05, I guess. Yeah, man, I'm old. I'm old as dirt. And so E-Trade was the first that I recall. E-Trade was the first trading. Like I was like, what the fuck? You could trade on your own? Who does that? So then that's when I started dabbling. I still don't know shit for shit, but back then I really knew shit for shit. Levels? What's a level?
Fucking crazy.
Nah, I didn't even. I don't. I think I played AMC once or twice, but no, I don't. I don't. I don't do that shit, bro. I'm greedy, man. I don't know if you know this. That's why I short myself a lot because I get out. I want my money. I want out. Trading scares the living shit out of me. You just put $10,000 into a fucking computer, and you're like, give me my money. Give me my money. You know what I mean? It's like I have no control over my money. So I'm like, I always talk, get out, right? Whenever I hit enter, I'm like, how do I hit enter again? When can I hit enter? Because, bro, I want my money out. Like, that's just, it. I don't know. It's
Just give
scary.
me my money.
Yeah. Worst trade ever was a Tesla spread. I think that was like 30 grand. And my Tesla was ripping all day, and threw a spread on at like, I don't know, 2 o'clock maybe. That bitch went to like zero because spreads, if you know, they either double your money or you lose. It has a set loss, right? But Anyway, that one hurt. Didn't do that again. Look at her. Look at her. She wants to nut. She wants to nut. Yeah, I got a bunch of lessons, brother. A bunch of lessons. I can't tell you how many times, because when you're first learning how to trade, all you see is these hundreds and thousands winners, right? You're like, oh, I could do that. I could do that. And then you're up 50, 100%. And then that shit goes red because it didn't hit the target that that analyst said, right? So I'm just holding. I'm like, no, baby. No, I'm holding this. So-and-so said so. This is going to the moon. I'm like, nah, those days are long over. Look at that candle. Fuck, bro. Look at it again, guys. It wicked above. Talk about a fucking slap in the face. That's a flick in the lips.
Not playing.
So that's why you wait for the close. Look at it. Wicked up, wicked up, wicked up, wicked up, and then just said, nah, here's your smack. Man, it's already fucking 9:30. Y'all make me talk. All right. I'm on overtime. I'm out of here. You guys are gay.
See y'all. I'm gonna take a nap. Fucking head's killing me.
All right, y'all. Come over to the Discord here. Let me give you the link. Give me a like and a subscribe too. Where's my fucking links? Hold on. There's that one and this one. There we go. All right, like, subscribe, do all the
You know what to
things.
do.
We'll see y'all tomorrow. Deuces.
Later.
Are you crazy? Are you out of your mind? Show me the money!